lunchtime here in North Sydney. I'm Scott and this is Big Review TV. Today we're going to go check out Rolls Vietnam. So this is a local family-run Vietnamese restaurant specializing in barbecue pork, rolls, salads, everything else. I can smell it from here and I'm starving, so let's go grab something to eat. Well, there you go, Rolls Vietnam, and I am truly impressed. That was some great fresh Vietnamese food. Make sure you come down, check them out in North Sydney or find them online at rollsvietnam.com. For now, I'm going to take my coffee and hit the road. See you next time.